Hello friends, good morning everyone. Today we will discuss the measurement of humidity, then we'll move on to the types of humidity measurement. So first we'll define humidity is the measure of water vapor present in the gas, or it is defined as the amount of water present in the surrounding. There are some applications which are used in industries, agricultural, medical, electronics and electrical field, and environmental. So next we'll move on to there is one instrument to measure the humidity, that is hygrometer. So again, hygrometer is a device which measure the humidity directly, that is called as a relative humidity. So next, types of hygrometer. It is classified based on the methods used for the measurement. So first one, electrical. So in that we are going to measure the resistance, capacitance and impedance measurement. Second one is the thermal conductivity, crystal hygrometer, and third one is the aluminum oxide hygrometer. So again, by using this humidity measurement, we are going to use some basic terminology, that are first one, moisture. So again, it is defined as water content of any material or a substance, that may be solid or liquid. Second one, absolute humidity. We can measure the ratio m divided by v, that is it is the ratio of mass of water vapor to the volume of the air. Third one, relative humidity. It is the ratio of actual water vapor pressure present in the air at temperature to the maximum water vapor pressure present in the air at the same temperature. Again, that is one ratio, actual water vapor pressure to the maximum water vapor pressure in terms of temperature. Fourth one is the specific humidity. It is the ratio of mass of water vapor to the total mass of air. Next one is the mixing ratio or humidity ratio. It is the ratio of mass of water vapor to the mass of dry air. Sixth one, dew point temperature. So temperature at which water vapor content in saturated or maximum in the air. So again, it is expressed in percentage or it depends upon the temperature. So next we'll move on to the types of humidity measurement. In that, first one, resistive hygrometer, second one, capacitive hygrometer, and third one is the aluminum oxide hygrometer, and fourth one is the crystal hygrometer. So first we'll discuss resistive type of the hygrometer. So this is the diagrammatic representation of resistive hygrometer. By using this diagram, we will discuss the construction and working of resistive hygrometer. So first of all, resistive hygrometer measures the humidity at change in resistivity using hygroscopic salt such as lithium chloride. The wire or electrodes coated with hygroscopic salt. A resistive hygrometer, as shown in the figure, which has conductive film between two metal electrodes. The conductive film has a mixture of lithium chloride and carbon, whose resistance changes with changes in humidity. As the relative humidity increases, the conductive film absorb more moisture and its resistance decreases. The resistance is measured using Wheaton's bridge network by applying AC voltage. As the changes in resistance changes in current or voltage, by using this we can measure the resistive hygrometer humidity. So next we'll move on to the second type, capacitive type hygrometer. So this is the diagrammatic representation of capacitive type hygrometer. So by using this diagram, we will discuss the working principle of capacitive hygrometer. So hygroscopic materials exhibit change in dielectric constant, which changes in humidity. So based on some parallel plate equation, we are going to use one equation, C is equal to epsilon A divided by D. So here C is the capacitance, D is the distance between two plates, and epsilon is the permittivity or dielectric constant, A is the area. Again, the presence of water vapor in air also changes in dielectric constant. As the changes are very small, the change in capacitance due to change in dielectric constant is measured by including it as a frequency determining element in an oscillator. The output of signal, this oscillator is heterodyne with a signal of another oscillator of a fixed frequency in beat frequency oscillator. The output of beat frequency oscillator is the difference frequency, which is directly proportional to the relative humidity. The response time of this hygrometer is a 1 second. Thank you.